If you are looking for freelance graphic or web design work, Dribbble hiring is the perfect place to start. Simply create a profile showcasing your best work, then browse job listings or get noticed by companies searching for top talent. It's an easy way to connect with clients who need creative design projects and grow your freelance career. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Dribble hiring, ideal for finding freelance work in graphic and web design. All I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into Dribbble.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is Dribbble hiring. So it's a feature of the Dribbble platform that connects freelance graphic and web designers with companies and clients looking for design talent. Designers can create profiles for showcase their work, and potential employers can browse these portfolios to find the right fits to their projects. It's a great tool for freelancers to find paid opportunities and grow their careers in the creative industry. All I have to do right now is just click over sign up in the top right. If you already have an account, you click over login to link your information, your personal information, and you get started with this platform, which is Dribbble.com. So right now I will just click over sign up. Then you'll find the page which is this one here. As you can see, you have just to continue with email, or you can continue also with Google. So after that, you have just to select here and answer for those questions. First things, are you here to hire? I will click over yes. And then you have this other question, which is who are looking to hire, what position are you looking? So to follow, we'll just here add something here. For example, I will add, for example, here something like that. Then I will add here if is it animation, branded graphic design, illustration, leadership. I will select this one. Then I will click over continue. Then you'll find the homepage as you can see. So here we have various things in this platform, and let's get started. So to use Dribbble in hiring, create a profile that highlights your best graphic or web design work as I did. Browse job listings posted by companies looking for freelance designers or have employers reach out to you based on your portfolio as well. You can also apply directly to opportunities, making it a great way to find paid freelance projects and build connections in the design industry. So here we have this page as you can see. We have firstly in the top here we do have the browse designers, post a job, submit a brief, hiring on Dribble, we have here find jobs, and let's just searching for find jobs. And then you have just to post a job like that. And here we have if we want to hire a freelancer, hire and pay designers, no payment needed until product teams are found. We have the free one. The second package we have to pay $150 per month, $300 per month, and you have just to select the one you want after reading these features as you can see, right? Also here we have to search about what you're looking for, and also select if you want shots or designers. Alright, also we have here all product design, we have web design, and if you want also illustration, branding, animation, mobile, typography, and brand as well. So we have just also here if you want to select something, and you have to search for here the budget, you enter the budget and the location, and you will find it of course. So here we have some examples here about this one. I will select here for example store design. Then I will find here like that. I will just select for example this one, and here we have it how it looks. Alright, so if you want to get it in touch, you click over here, and here you add the amount, also the target date, and the project detail as well. Right, so in the top right we'll find here the settings, and let's just here selecting settings, and here we have the settings if you want to edit profile. Here we have password, and we have here social profiles, company, then we have also payout, email notifications, billing, we have sessions as well, applications, data export. And if you want to delete the account, you click over here and just start deleting the account on Dribbble.com. So Dribbble hiring is evaluate Available platform for freelance designers to showcase their skills and connect with clients seeking creative talent. By building a strong portfolio and engaging with job listings, designers can easily find new opportunities and grow their freelancers careers. Alright, so this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible because it's very helpful to use it. You have just to discover the world's top designers and explore work from the most talented and accomplished designers ready to take on your next project. We have here this, for example, we have here link click, and we have also here this one. You have just to select the one you want and you get started with this platform. Also, if you want to looking for landing page, and then we have the landing page here, as you can see. Also we have here, this is related to the homepage, landing website or landing page, web design or homepage. And also we have here if we want to make it following or popular or new noteworthy. So also we have here the option of animation. And there we have it. For example, we have Browser and we have Inspirix, and also we have here branding as you can see. For this one, you'll find here dollar works, and here we have how it looks. Then we have here illustration, such as Victoria, Alexi, and Daru Ferrando. Then we have mobile, print. We have also here product design, typography, and web design. To filter, you have just to click over here and you select also the tags, the color. We'll select, for example, the black one. So we don't have any results here, and you have just to select, for example, this one, and that's it for this page, which is London page. Also, if you search for designers, you click over here and you have just to select here which thing that you're looking for, depending or related to designers, as you can see. Right, so here we have if you want to find jobs. Also we have here if you want to browse designers, you click over here, and also if you want to post a job, and you have just to add the job title, add your job description, job location, here you have workplace type, and you have just to link this information, your company website, logo, what's your company name, where you can people apply, also employment type, and you click over continue. Also we have here submit a brief, and here we have it, submit your project details, and here we have how it works, review our recommendations, select your designers as well. Then we have the last thing, which is hiring on Dribbble. Find the perfect design for your business. I already mentioned that. So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.